pizza sauce for our Mahgarita pizza. You could use fresh tomatoes and it's recommended. Here I have my tomatoes, I have garlic, I have my basil, salt and pepper, and some fresh herbs. My oil in here. Use olive oil for this Mahgarita sauce. Put this in medium-high. And you all know by now that I like to put my spices in the oil. So I'm going to put my garlic. I'm going to put the pepper. Put a little bit of salt. Of course, my paprika. Put like a tablespoon of paprika. Maybe 2 tablespoons. What did I forget in this recipe? How can I forget? I'm going to use harissa sauce or the Moroccan paste in here too. So we're going to set this aside. So I put some parsley in here. I'm going to use some of the basil leaves to put inside the sauce. We don't need much. This will be enough. Basil has a very strong aroma, so a little goes a long way. This in our oil. And we're going to add our tomatoes at this time. Put our heat in medium. I'm going to cook this till it simmers down a bit and creates like a thick paste. In the meantime, prepare your dough. So while our sauce is simmering down, we're going to prepare our toppings for Mahgarita pizza. And for that, we'll need a large tomato, fresh mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil. We're going to thinly slice our tomatoes. Here we laid out our dough on our 14-inch pizza pan. We're going to poke holes in them. Even with our fingers is good. You can use a fork. I take my ladle and I put the tomato sauce in the center of the pizza, and I will just swirl, go round and round, pushing the sauce in a circular motion until we get to the crust, using the back of the ladle. We'll put our tomatoes on the pizza sauce, add our fresh mozzarella cheese. We'll take a few of the basil leaves, put it around the pizza, and then when the pizza comes out we can add some more fresh basil leaves. Pizza is ready to go into the oven. You see how I formed a little border here on our pizza. I added extra garlic before I put the sauce. I put slices of fresh mozzarella cheese and some fresh basil, and of course our tomatoes. We are all waiting for the pizza to come out. The pizza was 20 minutes in the oven at 400, and I put it at the bottom shelf.